Rain is a sign that someone secretly remembers you and miss you. I can't log in through rain, and he represents feelings through drops. When the rains come to visit, you only have to choose hanging longing or reminiscing sad. Rain makes me miss you. Is it because when you rain it, we first met? Every drops of rain always reminds the memories of our love. The rain has a reason why it falls, but I don't have a reason why my heart falls for you. Maybe the rain has stopped, but not with my longing.